Imagine you baked a delicious cake, spending hours perfecting the recipe, carefully choosing the best ingredients, and finally pulling it out of the oven, golden and inviting. Now, you want to share your creation with more people, not just your family, but friends, neighbors, and maybe even the whole community. An IPO, or initial public offering, is a bit like slicing up your cake, your company, and offering those slices, called shares, to the public for the very first time. It's a way to let others have a taste and become part of your journey. People who buy these slices don't just get a piece of cake, they actually become part owners of your cake business, sharing in its success and growth. That's exactly what Ather Energy, a dynamic Indian company known for its innovative electric scooters, is doing with its IPO. By going public, they're inviting everyone, from everyday people to big investors, to join their exciting journey and become a part of their future. Ather Energy is like the cool kid on the block, famous for their stylish, high-tech electric scooters that are changing the way people move around cities. With the money raised from the IPO, they plan to build even more awesome scooters, improve their technology, and expand their reach to new cities and customers. So by going public, they're selling a part of their company to the public in the form of shares, giving everyone a chance to own a piece of their success. This is a big deal because it opens the door for anyone to invest in the future of electric mobility and to be part of a movement that's shaping a cleaner, greener tomorrow. Ather Energy isn't just about scooters, they are building a whole ecosystem. Think of them as the Apple of the electric scooter world. They design and develop their own electric scooters, but they also have their own software called Ather Stack. It's like the iOS of scooters, making them super smart and connected. But wait, there's more. Ather Energy also has its own charging infrastructure called Ather Grid. They understand that charging convenience is key for electric vehicle adoption, so they are setting up charging stations all over cities. They are thinking ahead, making it easier for people to switch to electric. Ather Energy is raising a whopping rupees 2,626 crore through their IPO. That's a massive sum, and it's a clear sign of the company's ambitious plans for the future. To put it in perspective, this amount could fund several large infrastructure projects or even launch a new product line from scratch. That's a lot of money. For most companies, raising such a huge amount in one go is a rare opportunity, and it shows the scale at which Ather Energy is aiming to grow. They are issuing fresh shares worth this entire amount, which means they're inviting new investors to become part owners of the company and share in its journey. Think of it like baking a new cake and selling slices of that new cake to raise money. The more slices you sell, the more funds you collect. But you also share the cake with more people. This money will be used to build a new factory, pay off some debts, and expand their manufacturing capabilities to meet growing demand. A significant portion will also go into research and development, helping Ather create even better, more advanced electric scooters and stay ahead in the competitive EV market. On the very first day, the IPO received a good response from retail investors, with the retail portion being subscribed 63%. This early enthusiasm is a strong indicator of public trust. This shows that people are excited about Ather Energy and believe in their potential to disrupt the electric vehicle industry and deliver long-term value. The strong demand for the IPO indicates a positive sentiment towards the company's future prospects, and it sets the stage for Ather's next phase of growth and innovation. Ather Energy isn't the first electric scooter company to go public in India. Ola Electric, another big player in the market, went public last year. It's kind of like a race to the top, with both companies vying for the attention of investors. Ather, however, positions itself as a premium brand with a focus on technology and a comprehensive ecosystem. While Ola Electric's IPO generated a lot of buzz, Ather Energy's IPO is attracting attention for its strong fundamentals and a clear roadmap for the future. The grey market premium, which is the price at which shares are traded unofficially before listing, is a sign of investor confidence. Ather Energy's GMP indicates a positive listing with potential gains for early investors. Ather Energy has ambitious plans for the future, aiming to transform the electric vehicle landscape in India. The company's vision extends beyond just manufacturing scooters. They want to redefine urban mobility and set new benchmarks for innovation and sustainability in the industry. They plan to use the funds raised from the IPO to significantly expand their manufacturing capacity, invest in advanced technology, and launch a wider range of new products tailored to the evolving needs of Indian consumers. Their goal is to become a dominant player in the rapidly growing electric vehicle market in India, reaching more cities and making electric mobility accessible to millions. Industry experts believe that Ather Energy has the potential to emerge as a true leader in the EV space, thanks to its strong focus on research, development, and customer experience. However, as with any investment, there are risks involved, and the path to success is not without its challenges. The electric vehicle market is still evolving and faces hurdles such as intense competition, the need for robust charging infrastructure, and ongoing advancements in battery technology, all of which could impact growth. Investors should carefully evaluate these factors, considering both the opportunities and the risks, before making any investment decisions. Overall, Ather Energy's IPO marks a significant milestone for the Indian electric vehicle market and signals growing investor confidence in the sector. It provides a unique opportunity for investors to be part of a company that is not only shaping the future of mobility, but also driving the transition towards cleaner, greener transportation in India.